You know the drilling sound that is coming?
Yeah.
I don't know when they're going to stop.
Reminds us of Pizza Hut.
Yeah. Okay. So first we are at Sinonas in Kormangla. I don't know which block, 60 feet road. Yeah. That sound is going to be heavier than my voice. I need to talk about the box though first. Look at the shape. Yeah.
Yes.
There are two parrots on top of us. They're going to give us some issues. But we have always seen the square boxes. We don't find round boxes or this shape anywhere. And the main reason is when you produce pizza boxes, no, when it's flat, it's easy to cut out in machines and fold it into a square box. So that's why you don't have this round boxes. But this is not exactly round. This is like more of 1, 2, 3. So I don't know the shape of it. I'm sorry, but this also is cut in a straight, like flat surface. Let's open the pizza. So we have gotten margherita cheese pizza. They use fresh mozzarella, not San Marzano. They use. I'll find out about the tomatoes. It's from Pugalis region. It's not San Marzano. It is imported canned tomatoes. So it is sweeter than no worries. Sweeter than San Marzano, and they use sourdough starter. So apparently in India, this was the first sourdough pizza. So the story goes, the owner of Nonas went to Italy, Naples, and over there a family offered him a pizza, and the sourdough starter over there was handed by her grandmom. Yeah, grandmom I think. So grandmom in Italian is called Nonas. So that is the name of Sinonas. So let's actually try and give a review before it gets cold. I have huge high hopes for this. See, she told us to eat fast so it doesn't get soggy. See, bit of the, I mean, very firm. Really good. I think for Neapolitans I have given 7.8 as the highest for brick oven. But this is actually might be a little bit better because of the sauce. I wish it was a little bit more airier inside, but can't expect. And one more cool thing about this spot, you can come here and make your own pizza. Like not ask them to add toppings. You can actually make. They'll let you make your own pizza. They'll teach you and instruct you, and you can go ahead and stretch the dough and add your toppings. That's something cool, and they're doing this because they're new here to this location. But the pizza 7.9. That's a review. It's very good. The sauce sweeter than San Marzano, like they said, but acidic level is a little bit high. But I think this is good. This is really good pizza. And the box, I'm still not able to get over it. I want to invest. I want to invite her. Let's see if you want to come.
Yeah, but what should I do?
Happy, just come.
It's so awkward.
I know. I am an introvert. I have social anxiety. I started this.
I'm camera shy.
Come. Peace. Oh, she is what's your name?
My name is Akshita.
Akshita from Sinonas, and you are
Assistant Pizzola.
sorry.
I'm an assistant Pizzola here.
Okay, you are assistant pizzola. Pizzola in the sense you make pizzas.
Yes, I do it from scratch.
Okay. So you were talking to me about your sourdough, right?
Yeah.
Can you tell the same story?
Yeah, you can actually come inside. I can explain with the mother dough.
Sure. Can we come?
Yes, you can
Okay.
come inside.
Come. Okay, so we are again with Akshata,
Yes.
right? Same
Yes.
message, right? Okay. She is the assistant pizziola, right?
Right, yes.
Okay. So that's basically an assistant pizza maker. So she stretches the dough, she makes pizzas,
Yes.
and
I make everything from scratch.
yes,
Yeah.
so she makes everything from scratch.
Yes.
So she is here to tell us about the sourdough, India's first sourdough pizzeria. So
Yes.
Akshata, can you please
Yes.
bring the mother dough?
Yes. So this is called mother dough. This is the one we will be using in the dough as a starter instead of yeast. So this is being fermented for 24 hours. And then when this is being added to the dough will be fermented for 48 hours. This doesn't have any artificial ingredients, and this is good for your guts, and it has good bacteria.
Okay. And how do you take this and keep it alive for, like, people use it for 10 years, 20 years,
Yeah.
100 years, right?
Yeah, this is a 500 years old recipe.
Hear that again.
This is a 500 years old recipe. We got it from Italy.
Okay.
So we refresh it every day.
Okay.
Yeah, we refresh it every day so we can keep it forever. Yeah.
So the fermentation that happens, what you say is refreshing it every day.
Yeah, yeah.
So you leave a little bit of sourdough aside
Yeah, we add this into the flour.
into the flour.
Yeah, that is how we refresh it.
Okay. So that is basically about the sourdough, and also she invited us to do the activity here. They have something unique activity there where your customers can come make their own pizza, like
Yes.
not adding toppings, but
Just
like
from the
they
scratch.
teach you, yeah, they teach you about stretching and, like, adding your toppings or whatnot.
Yes, you will know what sauce, what ingredients goes into your pizza. You can make your own pizza here.
Yes, so that is why we are here to do that activity now.
Yeah.
So would you like to
Yes,
start?
let's go.
Yes, come. So we are getting behind the scenes and exclusive access. We have your chef's hat or a cook's hat, and we have apron as well, which you are supposed to wear when you are inside the kitchen. That's must follow rule for any kitchen, not just pizzerias, any kitchen. So let's see, man, how do we do this? Can you explain this doodles, like the abstract art?
Yes, it's see Nona holding the pizza. Nona.
Yes, please.
So see Nona means yes, grandma.
Okay,
So,
Nona is grandma.
The print you're having is a grandma holding a pizza.
Okay. And this way?
No, you can wear the hairnet.
Okay, this is tight. This is tight. I'm going to look ridiculous wearing this hairnet.
I help you.
Yes, please. Thank you. Let's go.
So the base of the oven is made of Mount Waterway ash stone, and the outside is made of Italian marbles. And this is if the base is imported from Italy, and this is assembled here. It can hold up to the temperature of 800 degrees Celsius to 1000 degrees Celsius, and we bake our pizza from 350 to 420 degrees Celsius within 90 seconds.
So the stones are directly imported from Italy.
Yes, it is.
And you guys have like some 15 places, right? You have 15 stores as
Yes,
now.
yes. Right now in Bangalore we have 3 stores, and one more is coming in Utopia.
Okay.
And we have it in Mumbai, Delhi.
Okay, and all of them have the same
Yes,
imported
the same
Italian
oven and the same structure. Yes.
pizza stones.
Yes.
Okay. Bring in the
Yeah.
holy grail of the pizzas.
Yeah. This is the sauce we use in our pizza. It's from a brand called Rosso Gargano. It's imported from Italy. This is a little bit sweeter in taste, and it's grown in a region called Puglia in southern Italy.
Okay. And this as well is imported.
Yes, it's
From
imported.
Italy.
Yeah.
And also one thing that even though things are imported from other countries, the certification or license has to be still gotten from India's thing,
Yes.
right? Okay. And what tomatoes are this?
This tomato is actually bigger than the normal tomato. It's sweeter in taste.
Okay. Okay, so it's just bigger, but it's sweeter.
Yeah.
Usually, everybody uses San Marzano, right? That is the king of tomatoes. San Marzano, like, can be used for multiple things. But Simonas have gone the other way. They have found another tomato that is sweet that can be used for Neapolitans. There is no rule that like you have to use San Marzano.
Yeah, exactly. We
You
can
just
different.
you can use like tomatoes that you know can match up to that same taste, sweet. So that is about the tomatoes.
Tomatoes, yes.
Yes, thank you, Akshata.
Thank